Hey guys, Techmoustache here. We hope you enjoyed the unboxing and quick overview of the Sengled Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. As we said in that video, we're looking to replace our Philips HUE bulbs. We have the old model of the Philips HUE here, which are just on the Zigbee network. So the Philips HUE requires a hub, and the big difference here with the Sengled, they run on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and no hub is required. The new Philips bulbs are definitely a lot more expensive, retailing here for $40, and these Sengleds are retailing for $19.99, and we picked this up on a promo for $11.99 this week. So we just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison showing the two bulbs. Philips on the right, Sengled on the left. Very similar design, tapered in the middle, but I'd say the Sengled actually has a better build quality. It's a lot more sturdier as it feels, a little more heavy, looks a lot brighter on the top. The Philips is tapered and it's just part of the glass, where the Sengled is almost like a hard plastic in the middle. So definitely don't worry about build quality of the Sengled. These things look and feel great. The big difference here is there's no hub required. It runs on Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz networks, where the Philips HUE, the old ones are on the Zigbee network and require a hub, and the new Philips are both Wi-Fi and Zigbee. So we hope this video has been informative and helps you make a better buying decision if you're looking to replace your Philips HUE lights with the Sengled. Check out the description below for more product info. Thanks.